What do I have?
Watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hutton, Jackson, Silver, Pike.
Exit Y68! Exit Y68!
The Rocky line is frequency of 162.400 megahertz. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the lower Scioto River Valley. West up to 5 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 20%. Christmas Day, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs around 40. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Also, the forecast for
Cleveland!
dangerous weather.
There's KCC 47.
This is a test. Service every Wednesday.
This is a big way to lift off.
Test will be postponed.
Come on, the man, Jesus, anyway.
The Lake Erie shore.
IWX!
Special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability
Once he's taken over.
This is the National Weather Service Forecast Office in White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station KEAS-C63. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
No wonder he failed.
Normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible,
Oh, shit!
activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast South Michigan counties.
Holy shit!
Saginaw, Plains, Lapeer, Tuscola, May, Livingston, Oakland, and Huron. This concludes the test of the weather radio station KIH-39. We now return to the normal broadcast.
Gaylord! God damn it. Where'd it go? This just happened. Please tell me it's gonna go off. Oh!
Service office in Indianapolis. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system on weather radio station KJ193. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Delaware, Grant, Henry, Jay, Madison, and Randolph. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJ193. And now a look at the forecast for the Muncie area.
Environnement Canada a un message à diffuser. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040. Je répète. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour un 0040.